Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Indego bike share app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Indego is a bike-sharing app designed to provide convenient and eco-friendly urban transportation. The app allows users to locate nearby bikes and docking stations, unlock bikes via the app, and track their rides easily. It offers real-time bike availability, multiple payment options, and promotes healthy, green commuting in cities. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Indego's interface simple and effective for quickly finding and renting bikes. The availability of bikes and docking stations in key city locations makes it a practical choice for short trips and daily commuting. The app's ride tracking and payment features add to the convenience. Still, the app has some downsides. Users sometimes experience bike shortages during peak hours or at popular locations. Coverage is limited to certain urban areas, which may restrict usability for some. Additionally, occasional app glitches or slow updates on bike availability can impact the experience. In summary, the Indego app may be worth using if you want an affordable, sustainable, and easy-to-use bike-sharing option in supported cities. However, if you need extensive coverage or flawless bike availability, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.